We're here at the beginning of the Superior Hiking Trail with hiker Melissa. How are you feeling at this moment, Melissa?
Excited.
Excited?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit anxious?
Yeah, that's what I said, excited.
Oh, excited. The weather is beautiful. You planned that one well. I lifted that pack before. It's light as a feather.
Definitely like 30 some pounds, I think.
Is it? What is this little thing here? This is just like a washcloth thing? This triangular dealie with this?
Cooler cloth?
Yeah. What is it?
For wiping.
Oh, it's a poopy cloth?
Not poop.
Oh, okay.
Gross. I have not used it yet, so I don't feel like you shouldn't have just touched it.
Yeah, I was like, what is this thing? Yeah. Interesting.
No, they're made, like whatever it's made out of is like
Anti, yeah. So then you just hose it off, huh?
Yeah.
Dip it in the river. We'll do some squats. Good enough. Good enough.
I can't like bend this way because when I bend down it like pushes me forward.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
It really isn't that. It like
I know.
distributes the weight. It really doesn't.
You're used to it. Well, I know one thing. You're gonna be stronger and tanner when you get back. That's for sure. Mentally and physically. All right, Melissa. I just want, I don't know, should you give me some words of wisdom or should I give you some words of wisdom?
I don't know.
Don't befriend the moose.
Okay.
That's my wisdom.
I know. You run away and you hide behind something.
Okay. All right.